into this with your chin up, ha? Talaga. Ha? Trabaho tayo.
I'm shocked.
Yeah, well...
We're just shocked, man.
Pero tira lang tayo. Tira lang tayo. Ang maganda, nabigay ng judges yung comments nila. And we have something to learn from that again. Very specific yung comments nila sa inyo eh. Kung ano yung naging downfall niyo kanina eh. Ha? So trabahuhin natin yun. At alam natin kung anong kailangan gawin. Ayusin natin yun. Okay?
Gusto kontahin yun.
For Bugoy, congratulations.
Yes, sir.
Up again.
Star Scholar ka ulit. Larnie, congratulations. Bukas may asap ka. Pagbutihin mo pahinga. For Chris, Zel, Miguel, Laarnie, and Bugoy, congratulations for being in the top 5. We'll see each other on the Grand Dream Night. For the two of you, fight.
Yes.
Fight time.
I will.
Fight time. Ha?
I will.
Pero congratulations pa rin sa inyong lahat. Congratulations. Layo nyo na lang.
Tayo na lang.
Ha? Okay. Congrats. Good night.
Good night, everyone.
Sige, huwag ka magsiswimming.
Hindi talaga.
Huwag tonight.
Mag-swimming tayo, Van.
Pakitulungan na lang yung girls ipagtabi-tabi yung kama nila.
Sis, maisip na ka.
Ikaw, pag-isipan natin. Pag-isipan natin. Ikaw, kung anong komportable mo sa banda.
Maghahanap ako sa song hits. Kasi doon ako.
Kung kakantaan ako. No buts. Oh, sige, no buts. Pero gusto ko sana.
Be happy kung ano meron. Basta
I'm happy.
huwag mo mag-bat.
Gusto ko sana kasing kayo. Gusto ko rin kasi kayo yung ma-experience yung asap.
Oo, syempre. Pero, ikaw ang ano niya, gumawa niya sa sarili mo eh. Hindi naman kasi hindi na.
How could my... I just keep thinking, how could my... Come back.
Dance was good. This song was in his element. But, you know what I mean? Like, everybody had, how can my song?
Kaya dapat next week yung isipin mo kung saan ka mag-excel.
But again, it's against bands, so one of us is gone. That's the sad part, because, you know. Anyways, ganun talaga ang buhay, di ba? It sucks. Di ba? It's just so close now because, you know, it's so close, di ba? Only one of us. Only one of us would have. Only me or Van are going on the tour. And, you know, joining, you know, competing for the Grand Star Dream. And I wanted to compete for it. I still want to compete.
May top 10 kasama lahat for ano.
Pero at least, for Monday, at least ma-finalize natin yung for itong pinaka-immediate Saturday, di ba?
Pa.
Pero mag-isip na rin kayo.
Apa. So close. We were both so close.
Nalulungkot ako kasi, di ba? Yun yung dream natin.
We're both so close. That's why it's just sad. But you know, it doesn't mean we can't still do shows together. Yeah, I mean.
Mga Brian, mga lahat ng may kulot. Boys to Men. Ibahin mo lang yung rendition. Daddy.
Oh my God, ayaw niya ko ihag.
No, it. Baumas. Just, I know. Thanks, Bugs. No, thanks. I know you guys. It just sucks because it's me versus them.
I know.
It's the worst situation.
Alam mo namin, sobrang sama ang feeling
Kaya
namin.
ayaw.
Hindi
Kung
namin
kami
ma-feel
din yung
tapos
dalawa
yun.
nandun. Ang ma-feel mo. Nakakapangina.
So, mahina ako.
Kahit kung kayong dalawa, if ever.
Hindi nalaman ko na yun.
Silang dalawa.
Yun na. Bigla, alam mo yung sinabi sila, parang,
Bye.
parang may
Tingnan mo sa cabinet ko, meron.
may umano dito, parang zoom. Kinilabutan talaga.
Cabinet ko, Van. Nandun lang. Pagbukas mo, andun lang sa ibabaw.
Chris, ano yung iniisip mo?
Po?
Ano iniisip mo?
Kanta po?
Oo.
Ngayon po, siguro, yung my funny Valentine.
Gusto mo yung My Funny Valentine?
Try ko po yun, sir.
But at least you guys next week, no issue because you guys are competing.
Sulit mo rin.
You're only competing for the top scholar. You guys don't have to worry about elimination.
Wala na ba?
But for you guys, no more na. 6.
Why?
Because 7, once Mir Banner gone, 6
Oh,
na.
walang ano.
No,
Bakit
compete.
wala? Bakit 2 weeks?
Because-
Meron din 2 weeks pa eh.
Meron pa.
2 weeks pa eh. Sir, di ba meron pa po Ruby next week?
No, all 6 goes to Arneta, di ba?
Next week, may isang maalis, si Van or si Sen.
Oh, and then after that, no
Wala
more.
na, 6 na lang kayo. eh.
6 will go to Arneta.
Akala ko may Ruby pa.
No, wala na.
Wala na.
Wala na.
Oh my God! Nandito, makapaniwala.
That's it.
Kakainis.
Lumakit ba mukha ko? Lumakit ba mukha ko?
That's the depressing part. You know what I mean? You're this close, like 7.
Kayo pa talagang dalawa.
You're twin.
Tanggal yung buhok niya, oh. Ang pagbunot ko. Hindi ko nahawakan. Kumanong. Nilala. May
Oil?
wax dito.
Wax? Oh, yeah, from swimming.
Swimman.
I get this from swimming.
Hirap ako sa, for the first time, hirap ako sa song choice.
Ako din. Ay, oo nga. Di ba lagi na
Sir, anong song ko?
Kasi gusto nila bumaba. Nahirapan ako.
believe it. Like, I think I'm dreaming. Parang nag-dream ba ako? I'm just dreaming.
Pero buti wala nang saving. Saving by the scholar. Magtotoo lang. Paparangkahin ko na kayo. Masakit yun. Pero, after how many days wala na yun.
Ay, no.
Me?
Wait lang ah.
Pass.
Forte ko ba kulot?
We have to decide by right now?
Oo.
I mean, like today?
No.
By Monday, right?
By Monday.
I was thinking like crazy little thing called love.
It's a little thing called love.
I don't know, what do you think, sir? What would be bagay for me? What would be bagay for me?
Ikaw, what are the songs that you lagi mong binabalikan?
Parang
Pag
hindi
kumakanta ka
ka
when you're
ganito. Di ba mga bugas?
Miguel, may hiram ako ah.
Fernando na lang.
For me, thinking...
Sir, pwede kami humingi ng ganito?
Buti nga kayo, meron ko yung tumbler eh. Ako wala akong tag.
Hindi naman siya